You know, it's unfortunate because you're a great earner for somebody else, but you're not a great earner for yourself. Like me, when I first started working, I was learning how to be a great worker, right? A 9-to-5 worker. I was making money for somebody else. I was depending on the paycheck that they gave me. You know, I could go out and I could pay the bills. I could pay my family. And if I was lucky, I could put away $100, $150 for investing every single month. That sucked. And it's not safe, right? We saw a video about that with Corona. People who were so certain that they had good jobs and they're good people, they got wiped out, right? Now is the time for you guys to learn how to build wealth for yourself, how to start and grow your own business, and how to invest and manage your own money or cash flow, right? How to earn money for you. Master the high income skills that let you make money for you and become valuable in the marketplace. How to make an active income, right? Build a team to lift you up and reinvest that income to generate you passive income for long-term wealth creation, right? To replace that paycheck, to fire your boss and get out of the rat race finally, right? It's that time, and it's actually never been easier. This is the time. Your friends around you doing this are gonna come up. Your family is, and you're gonna start going backwards, right? You're gonna start getting left behind because all of this unemployment, all of this job loss, all of this inflation, and if you're going to take that step, right? If you're going to take that step in earning for you, learning how to earn for you, one important thing to look for is look for somebody who can explain all this stuff simply to a 10-year-old, right? Because that means that they truly understand and they're going to be able to help you build wealth and make money for yourself. And make sure that they're teaching you what they do. You don't want to buy a sales course, right? You definitely don't want to buy a sales course if you're having business problems, right? You don't want to buy a sales or marketing or a one-off course from someone with an online business to learn how to start an online business, because that's not what's making them successful, right? There's not only one thing that goes into running an online business, but understanding how an online business is actually built and ran is what's making the money. And you want a few things from the person who's going to teach you actually how to build an online business. One, that they're teaching you what they do, right? Two, that they are actually doing what they teach. If someone is teaching sales, but they do e-commerce to make their money, right? You want to learn the e-commerce they do, not necessarily the sales they teach, because e-commerce is what's actually making them money, right? And that's what actually makes you money. Same thing with marketing. You don't want to learn just copywriting or just how to run ads unless you want to go get a job copywriting or running ads. You want to learn not how they do their marketing, but how they built their business, how they run their whole entire business, and how they built a marketing firm. That's what will help you. And nobody else teaches you all those parts in the market right now except us. Three is you want to make sure they can explain everything that we just spoke about very simply. If they can't, or they can't help it make sense to you, then they don't understand it well enough themselves, right? So make sure that that person is teaching you and explaining it to you, and could also teach and explain it to your 10-year-old daughter or your 10-year-old son and make it make sense to them. And those are factors I'd look into when deciding on the company that you're going to learn how to build wealth from, that you're going to learn how to start making money for you from, and that you're going to start successful businesses and brands with online. And if you'd like to speak with one of our coaches, all you need to do is type in williamswealthcreation.com. It's super simple to get started. Read through the webpage for an introduction, and you're going to see a link at the bottom of the page saying apply or to become a client. All you need to do is click that link. You're going to be directed to a web page with a calendar. When you get to the web page with a calendar, just pick a time, right? Pick the time that works best for you, and me or somebody on my team will give you a call to see if we can help you achieve your goals in regards to building wealth, sales, and building an online business. My name is Spencer Williams, 7-figure entrepreneur, and I'll talk to you soon.